Let's be honest for a second. Almost every creator on YouTube talks about a best free AI video generator, but when you actually try those tools, you quickly realize the truth. Most of them only give a few credits, which is basically nothing, and after that you have to pay. And even worse, many of those tools put a watermark on your videos. So I decided to test many AI video generators myself to see if there is actually something that is 100% free, unlimited, and no watermark at all. And finally, I found 2 AI tools that can generate high-quality AI videos with realistic characters, natural dialogue, perfect soundtracks, and accurate lip sync. Yes, you can create videos completely free, without credits, and without any watermark. I've also created some videos using these free tools, and you can see how amazing they look.
This is so beautiful. I feel like I'm dreaming.
With great quality and no watermark at all. And the best part is, I can create as many videos as I want completely free. All right, let me show you how you can create these types of videos for free. The first tool we are going to use is Meta AI. Simply open Google and search for Meta AI. Click on the first link and it will take you directly to the homepage of the platform. From there, just sign up, and within a few seconds, your dashboard will be ready to use. Everything here is clean, simple, and very beginner-friendly. So now, let's go ahead and create our very first AI video. Simply click on the plus icon, and from there, select the Create option. This is where the real magic begins. Here, you can generate images and even convert them into videos, but for now, we are going to create our video directly. The first thing you need to do is choose your aspect ratio. Select the one that fits your video style. After choosing the aspect ratio, simply switch to the image to video option. Now enter your video prompt inside the prompt box, and once everything looks good, just click on Animate. As soon as you click on it, the AI will start generating 4 stunning video clips. After a few moments, our 4 stunning AI video clips will be ready, and here we go. As you can see, our 4 amazing video clips are now generated. From here, I'm going to click on my favorite one and just look at this result. The quality is really impressive, the visuals look amazing, the motion feels smooth, and everything looks very high quality. The soundtrack fits perfectly, and the best part is that there is no watermark at all. Everything looks clean, professional, and ready to use. Now, if you want, you can also customize your video from here. For example, you can edit the clip, restyle it, add music, extend the video, or make any other changes you like. You have full control to adjust the video however you want, but if you already like the clip the way it is, you can simply download it, and if you like all 4 clips, you can download all of them as well. Now let's move forward and create another video. Again, I will enter another video prompt in the prompt box and click on Animate. The AI starts generating 4 more video clips. And after a few moments, here we go again. Our second set of video clips is ready. I'm going to choose my favorite one from here. Now just look at the result. Once again, the quality is impressive. The visuals look sharp, the motion feels smooth, the soundtrack fits perfectly, and everything looks very realistic. And again, there is no watermark at all, which makes it even better. I repeated the same process multiple times and tried different prompts to test the tool properly, and these are the results I got. All right, let's move to our second AI tool. The second tool we are going to use is called Grok AI. Simply go to Google and search for Grok AI. Click on the first link, and you will land directly on the homepage of the platform. From here, complete the simple sign-up process, and your dashboard will be ready. Let's start. But before creating our first video, we will change one small setting so we can save time and create videos more easily. Simply click on the Settings option, then go to the Behavior section. From here, disable the last automatic video generation option. This will help save time and give you better control while creating videos. Once everything is set, click on the Imagine option. This is where the real creativity begins. So from here, switch to the Image to Video option and choose your preferred aspect ratio depending on the type of video you want to create. After that, simply enter your video prompt and click on Generate. Our video will start generating, and within a few moments, the video is ready. Now just look at the result. The sound motion looks smooth, the visuals are sharp, and the character looks stunning and realistic. Everything feels polished and high quality, and again, there is no watermark at all. So I'm simply going to download this video. Now let's create another one. To create the second video, I followed the exact same process again. I entered another prompt and clicked on generate, and the second video started generating. And here we go. Once again, just look at this result. The motion is perfect, the soundtrack fits beautifully, the video quality is excellent, and there is still no watermark, which is honestly the best part. So I repeated the same process many times, tried different prompts, and generated videos in different styles. And these are the results I got.
Life is beautiful when you take a moment to really see it. Every color, every sound, every little wonder around us.
These days, most AI tools do not provide results like this, especially free ones. Finding a tool in 2026 that gives high-quality videos without watermark and without complicated steps is extremely rare. But these tools are giving surprisingly amazing results. So guys, now you have seen videos created from both tools. You can clearly see how impressive the results are, the quality is high, the visuals are stunning, and everything looks professional. In today's time, finding tools that provide this level of quality without watermark and without limits is very difficult. That's why these tools are truly a great opportunity for creators. Now, some people say that these tools have limits and you cannot generate unlimited videos. Technically, you can generate more than 30 videos daily, which is already a lot. But if you want to create unlimited AI videos, there is a simple trick. If one account reaches its limit, you can simply use a temporary email service and create another account. This way, you can continue generating videos without any problem. So guys, I have explained the complete process. I have already tested these tools and shown you the results. Now it's your turn to try them and show your creativity. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and support the channel, because your support motivates us to bring more amazing free AI tools for you. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Thanks for watching.